Can't see me, can you? Well, I'm here. Yes, I am. Flying ghosts today. We're going to talk about flying ghosts. What does that got to do with hail? We'll show you. So to do the flying ghosts, we need a few things. We need to have a tea bag. We need to have a pair of skizzers. We need to have a Sharpie. Scary, huh? And we need to have a fire stick. So where do we go from here? Well, first thing we need is we need a ghost. So let me show you how we're going to get a ghost. I'm going to take this tea bag, and a tea bag is very light and very thin and has tea in it. So we don't need the top part of this. So I very carefully want to cut the very, very top as straight as I can off, just like that. This you can recycle. Then I have a bunch of tea, and I want to put the tea in my cup because I might want to have some tea a little bit later. So I'm going to dump that in there. Set that off to the side. Now I have this tube that the tea came in, this very light paper. And I can make it into a tube just like that. What does that got to do with a ghost? Well, a ghost needs a face. So we need to give it a face. So let's just give it an eye here, and a scraggly mouth there. So there's our ghost. So now we take our ghosts. Spooky, isn't it? Isn't that scary? How do you think I feel? I'm here all by myself doing this. I'm really scared. So we make this tube out of the ghost. All right. Now I'm going to leave it right there while I go move your camera. So just watch the ghost. Make sure he doesn't get away. I got to walk really slowly so I don't blow it over. I want to put you guys back up here. I need to adjust my camera to my table. There we go. I'm back. Now I have this ghost right here. Right? So what I'm going to do with the ghost is I'm going to take the fire stick and I'm going to light the very top of my ghost. Watch what happens. Watch carefully. Watch it. Watch it. Up she goes. It hit the ceiling. It hit the ceiling. Watch. 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 See it? Wonder why it's coming down. See it? There it is. Why is it coming down? So my question for you is, how does that demonstration relate to how a hailstorm is created? Now think about heat, think about density, think about molecules, and they get heated up and they get to a gas. What do? They do what? They expand and they go where? Up. Think of an updraft in a hailstorm. So how do those two, as this demonstration, relate to a hailstorm and how a hailstorm is formed? In your Google Slides, you'll have a place that you want to go in and write your feelings. But we're going to show you one more thing. There it is. I found it. So what would happen if I took this really hard paper towel tubing and I set it here? I can even write a face on it if you want me to, if it goes. And I lit this, right? And I lit this and I let it go. What do you think would happen to this? Would it go up to the sky? Would it just burn down? And why do you think it would do what it does? We'll talk about that during class. So you watch my flying ghost go up. All of a sudden, it just took off. It went up into the sky. Why did it do that? And how does that relate to how a hailstorm is formed? Because that's science.